So today we are in Oxford and we are in the most beautiful countryside thatched cottage. When you think of the quintessential English cottage in the countryside, this ticks all of the boxes and the garden is phenomenal. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you the house, the gardens and the outdoor kitchen that we've just installed. So this is really exciting for us because today we've just finished installing this Burnout Kitchen. You may have seen a previous video that I've done. I did a review of this in our showroom. I'll leave a link up there for it if you want to go and see that. But Burnout are a really high-end German manufacturer. They're new to the UK in 2022. And this is only the second one that we've installed. So really excited to get this done today and to talk to you about it. So we actually got here earlier this morning and we put the time lapse on. We unloaded it from the van. So let's jump back to then and we'll show you the process of putting it together. So it's 9 AM in the morning and we have just arrived here. It's -4 degrees, so it's really cold. We've just unloaded all of the bits and pieces out of the van and we are gonna start putting it together now. So you can see that it really didn't take long at all. It is now 12:20, so we got here at 9 o'clock. So including unloading everything and putting it all together, we've now finished. It's taken 3.5 hours, which is really good. So let's have a look at this and talk you through it. So this is a stainless steel construction. The frames are all stainless steel. All of the handles, everything else is stainless steel. This stuff here, all of the doors, this is called Smoke. This one, there's 4 different colors that you can choose from. This one's called Smoke and this is a composite. So the customers had their own green egg. So this unit is actually set up for a monolith. They don't do one for a green egg. They do them for monoliths and they do them for Kamado Joes. But you can see that this fits in there really well. There is actually a slightly bigger green egg, which I think would fit in there even better, slightly bigger, but that still works really well. So underneath here, you've got a drawer there. That's brilliant. It's a really big drawer and it's great for keeping all the accessories for the Kamados. They do come with lots of accessories, so having somewhere to keep them is brilliant. I just noticed also that all of the drawers are soft close as well. They're really good quality. This drawer here, this is a pull-out bin. So here you've got 2 bins in there, one for your recycling or one for your normal waste. This here as well is actually a remote control. So on the underside of here, we've got plinth lights that run all the way along the bottom. So at night, they can hit the remote control. Those lights will come up and it will shine out underneath there. It will look really cool. We've got another drawer here just purely for storage. And then on the end here, you've got the stainless steel fridge for keeping all your drinks and your food and everything in there. Really sleek, really cool. This also comes with granite worktops as well, so each individual unit has its own granite worktop. There is an option if you want to have composite worktops instead of the granite. It's, you know, it is a lot cheaper if you have the composite, but in this case they've gone for the granite and it looks absolutely incredible. So what else is incredibly cool is that the customers have gone and chosen to have this bar table and stools. Everything is made to match the outdoor kitchen. So it's got the same composite worktops, it's got the stainless steel framing system. These are the chairs with the backs on them, so it's got the same composite material on the back there, stainless steel frames here, and you've got these Burnout branded cushions as well. And the fact that, you know, it matches the kitchen is so cool. You know, you cook all your food over there, and then you come over here and sit here with your friends to eat all of your food. So this is such a nice space and an area under here. So everywhere you can see, so from where you've walked in, you've got pergolas, you've got grapevines and things running, there's plants everywhere. Everywhere you look, there's just features and ornaments, and it looks incredible. And this actually, it works really well in this space. There used to be lots of bamboo and bushes and everything like that. So they had some outside contractors that came in and cleared the area and put this patio down. And so we've just put these. It's worth noting also, because this patio is a bit up and down, they have adjustable feet. So all of the units, all of the chairs, the table, they all have adjustable feet. So this is completely solid. It's not going to wobble around when you're sat there. No more putting beer mats underneath the legs to try and keep it level. And it fits in there really nicely as well. So, you know, because of the space with the tree, the pergola post here, the tree over there, it was a really sort of awkward space to make it fit in there. But I think it works really, really well, and it's a really functional space now. It's going to get used all the time. So you've got to admit that this garden is absolutely stunning with all of the different areas, the little winding pathways that go around. You've got like a Airbnb cabin over there. You've got a pond over there, another shed over there. Behind there is a gazebo that's got a hot tub in there. You've got this beautiful olive tree here. Everywhere you look, there's something to look at, and the different ornaments and everything else. Behind you over there's actually a hedge with an archway that goes through onto a huge field out there. It's absolutely incredible. So I really hope you've enjoyed watching this video as much as we have making the video and being up here in this garden, in this beautiful home, and installing this incredible kitchen. If you want to see more videos like this, I'll leave a link up there, and go ahead, it'll be a playlist to other kitchens that we do. We try and post a video every week on YouTube showing you walkthroughs of gardens and kitchens that we do. If you subscribe to the channel as well, hit the alert button, you'll get notified every time we bring out a new video. We've also got Instagram and Facebook, which we try and post on a couple of times a week. On there, you will see the most up-to-date projects that we're up to. So if you're thinking about getting an outdoor kitchen or barbecues in general, head over there, give us a follow, and you'll keep up to date on what we're doing. So thanks very much for watching this video, and we'll see you on the next one.